Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Infiniti Q50 3.7 faster. We'll dive into straightforward methods to significantly improve your vehicle's acceleration and overall performance. You don't need to be a master mechanic to achieve noticeable gains. We'll cover 3 key areas that offer excellent power boosts without breaking the bank, helping you enjoy a more exhilarating ride every day. Let's get started on transforming your Q50. First up, consider a cold air intake system. This modification replaces your factory airbox with a more efficient design, allowing your engine to breathe better. By drawing in cooler, denser air, your engine can produce more power. Many owners report gains of 5 to 15 horsepower, along with a more aggressive engine sound. It's a relatively simple bolt-on upgrade that offers immediate benefits. Next, upgrading your exhaust system can unlock significant power. A catback exhaust replaces the piping from the catalytic converter back, reducing restrictive bends and improving exhaust gas flow. This can lead to gains of 10 to 20 horsepower, depending on the system. Beyond the power, you'll also get a much more satisfying and sporty exhaust note, enhancing your driving pleasure considerably. Finally, consider an ECU tune or a throttle controller. An ECU tune remaps your engine's computer for optimized fuel delivery and ignition timing, potentially adding 20 to 30 horsepower. If a full tune is too much, a throttle controller offers an easier alternative, sharpening throttle response for a more immediate feel. Both options significantly enhance your Q50's acceleration, making it feel much more responsive and powerful on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.